Here's a little parcel of offcuts and pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, from the Winton area, reels in millimetres. Materials being wetted to help bring out the colours. I've just tipped those out. I haven't put them all over the right way, as you can see. We'll go in a bit close and go through some of them. I'm not going to do it all. Okay, soon this piece is sort of looking out at us. Unfortunately, it's just a chip. You could make that into a doublet, perhaps. These other pieces. Just a nice little live colour there. Nice stone on the end here, cut it through there and you end up with another stone here. Looks like a bit of correct type material. These little fine bright veins. Well, I've probably missed a few. An idea though. Hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.